Welcome guys. This video covers how to convert text to speech in Pistonsoft software for Windows 10. Now go to the Pistonsoft website in your browser. Search for text-to-speech converter in sidebar. Now click Download. Now click Next. Click Agree and select the path where you want to install the Pistonsoft software. Click Next and install it. Some details to run the software were given in it. Type your text for which you need the voice. Welcome guys.
Welcome guys.
Click Ctrl and S to save the text file and Alt plus S to save the audio file.
Thank you.